Hello guys, welcome back to my video, and it's been a long time. I'm sorry for that because I am busy, but now here we go. The Stamina King battle. So guys, I will be unboxing like later 12. It's Christmas and I will receive a present, but I sneak off. like I just see the plastic, right? There's no one literally here, so I'm going to show you. Just wait a minute. Look at this. I just sneak off and I just see Excalibur. Look at that. So we're going to unbox, and it's so big, so I'm not believing it's only Excalibur. I'm feeling like there's more Beyblades right here. So yeah, that's it. We are going to have an Excalibur again. I don't have Excalibur because I broke the sword, so I'm happy to get him now, but I'm really excited to the other base because I feel like there's something more in there, and I guess there's a launcher because I feel like there's a launcher. I sneak off today. There's literally no one right here, so I sneak off, and that's why I'm telling you we're going to unbox that later in Christmas. So let's get into the battle because I talked too long and I'm very sorry. I'm just excited, you know. Okay, Stamina King battles. So who has more better stamina? Let's see. So right now, Mirage is stealing, but it's going to be draw. Second battle. Whoa! Glide just knock out Mirage into the stadium. Whoa! Whoa, whoa. So let's launch because Mirage can spin still, so no worry about that. Oh my god. Okay, let's try third battle. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, and Mirage knocked down again. How about let's try like three, always do like that. There's no power. What will we be like? Okay, so I see Mirage is spin stealing right now. I mean fafnir. And seems like Ragnaruk is chilling too. Okay, so I guess last battle. So let me show a burst. No. I'm sorry for that. Let's do it one more time. Whoa, did you see, guys? Did you see that, guys? It burst Ragnarok like crazy. So this is the Stamina King battles, and it's so amazing, the end of the video. And I'm going to end this for now, and see you guys later. Goodbye, Merry Christmas, and please hit that subscribe button, and please like or comment down below. Bye bye.